Now, the objective for this session is we have to create a trending column chart given this data. Now, these values are in millions. So, if we refer to the historical revenue, if notice that 2015 for AK, the actual value is 2105889, which is 2,105,889. So all these values are in million. So yes, so these values are in million. So we have the actual values, the budget, and then the trend, and we also have the year and the state. So there are different state. In this case, our slicer, the AK state, is active. Now the trend is taken from the actual value, which is C4 multiplied with 2. So the trend is multiplied, the actual value multiplied with 2. Now if we want to create trending column chart for this data, then we have to highlight this, go to insert tab, recommended charts, choose the first one, and it will give us this cluster chart. Now delete the title, delete the horizontal lines as well, delete the horizontal line. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we want to change this. Instead of these numbers, it should be 2015, 2016, 2017. It should be yes. So we go click select data, and these numbers in the horizontal category axis labels, click edit and highlight the yes, and then say okay again. So we now have our x-axis will display the yes. I'll just drag this up, drag it up, make so place your graph underneath those keys. And the next thing is to the trend column, we have to change it to a trend line. So we right click and we go to change series chart type. So click change series chart type and find where trend is, click on it and change it to line. So there will be a trend line, and say okay. Just the format for this trend line. So we click on it when it's active, click here, go and change the color to dark blue, this type change it to number 4, ending arrow type, click this one and make sure our line is smooth, and our trend line is now created. The next thing is we are going to just do a bit of format to the actual and the budget, actual values and the budget values column. So we click on budget, right click, go to format data series and change it to secondary type 60%, gap width change it to 60%, press enter, and after doing that, click these values and delete, press delete, Now click the actual values and change it to 15%, secondary leave it as primary and change it to 15%. Leave it as primary. The actual will be our primary and the budget is secondary, which we have already changed it to 60%. Now I'll just do a bit of format again. Format, shape effects, bevel, and we choose dark blue, and again the format for the actual, shape effects, bevel, first one, and fill color, make it okay. Let's make the inside one, the budget should be dark blue, and the actual one, actual value should be light blue. Okay, so to make things look neat, just get rid of the y-axis values and enlarge this chart, enlarge it, and since we no longer have the values on our y-axis, so it is very important we have to add the data labels. So click on the chart, right click, add data labels, click on it again, label options, inside base, font color white, number, click on number, and go down category. We will customize this category, and there is a notepad document that I upload on Moodle contain this. You will notice it have a comma. I want you to get rid of the comma and copy this, go and paste inside the format code, delete anything inside the format code, paste it, and click add. So our value should be in million now, and do the same thing for the actual values as well. So right click, format data series, right click, add data labels, add data labels, and then bold it, click this, leave it as outside in. Again, go to number and the category, change it to custom category, and the format code, remove anything there and paste your format code that you copy from the notepad from Moodle, and then you click add, and I think we are done. So that's our trending column chart. So if we want to check for the other states as well, we can go to the slicer, click state CAE, and note that our trend column chart will change accordingly. Thank you, and the other video will be for the stacked column chart, how to create a stacked column chart.